Start. Sir, Section 115 of the Code of Civil Procedure has been amended so as to take away the power of revision of the High Courts against questioning orders. This revision was causing a lot of inconvenience to the litigant against questioning orders filed in courts which are pending for years and the suits are being stayed. This has been taken out. Of course, the power of revision of the High Courts is there where no appeal lies. I fully endorse this amended clause. About judgment, a new clause has been introduced. The judgments should be delivered within a fortnight of the closing of the hearing of the case. If that is not possible, with notice to the parties, it should be done within 30 days. This is very sultry. If the court finds that it is not possible to deliver the judgment within 30 days, for reasons to be recorded in writing, it can postpone the delivery of the judgment to a subsequent date, giving notice to the parties. Therefore, the purpose of the amendment would not be served ordinarily in cases where the judge has to give notice to parties of judgment at a later date, and I do not think the litigant will be benefited. I am glad that another new order has been added which gives the party, the litigant, the costs incurred by him prior to the filing of the suit. It is a good thing previously the plaintiff who obtained a decree could not get the costs incurred by him prior to the filing of the suit. Now this has been included. It is a good improvement. Under this provision, in such family suits, the courts shall try to settle them before the trial begins. It is a good thing in family matters like a husband filing a suit for judicial separation or the wife filing a suit for maintenance. There the courts will come to the aid of the parties, and in camera they could try to settle and see that they could come together. In most cases, the courts will succeed in seeing that parties come to an understanding without undergoing the trouble of lending evidence on either side. Similar provision should be made where the subject matter of the suit does not exceed rupees 3000. We have limited the right of appeal to suits where the subject matter is more than rupees 3000.